Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we'll be replacing my school Chromebook screen. But this is my school computer. If I open it up, you can tell it has no screen. That's because I took out the screen because it was a bit dangerous because it was broken. So obviously I can't see what I'm doing. And if I do this, I've got a package. And I think because it says it's fragile, that we can assume it's the computer screen I ordered. Got that faceplate out. More internals to deal with. So what I'm gonna start off is this bracket right here. Oh, you guys couldn't see. This bracket right here is what holds in the screen. So I'm going to have to replace that. Or take it out, not replace. And to do that, I've got a handy dandy toolkit to go with me. Can't see it because it's kind of off camera, but right now what I'm doing is I'm removing the screws with my screwdriver. So might be a little bit. Take my screen without showing myself. Pop it in here. Like, oh crud, I gotta take this out, don't I? Yep. Yeah, I do. I definitely do. How do I take you out? Hello? Brute force? I think brute force is the way to go. Ah, there we go. Okay, I got this off. Put you in place. Okay, now that that's in place, I'm gonna put a screw down so that then don't come out. All right, now I can put in the other two screws. Or the other screw, I should say. Because this is the last one. Okay, this side is, I want to say done. You know what I probably should have done before I did any of that was I probably should have connected this cable right here. So, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that's out. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh crap, I gotta do this, don't I? Okay. Come on, pop out. There we go. I'm gonna plug this in. Okay, I gotta plug it in. Now here's what I'm doing. Now I can put it back and screw it in place. Put this wire back in the bracket, or this data cable, I should say. Right here, back in the bracket. Okay. Last bit of cable to go. Voila, I got the cable back in. Now I can put the screws back in. So what's going on with my screw? My screw's trying to run off. Also, for you guys out there, okay, I know people can relate to what I'm about to say. You know that feeling whenever you just like disassemble something and then reassemble it and find out you're missing a screw? I have two responses. A, if the thing still works afterwards, I go, see, I redesigned it. You guys don't need this extra screw. Or, I immediately start panicking because I thought I gotta reopen up the computer. Which, I don't know about you guys. That is so annoying to do. Alright, let's get this side out. Shopping. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, that's in. Perfect. Take this, put it on here, screw it in place. Also, I know you guys can't see what I'm doing, but I'm pretty much doing exactly what I did on this side. Alright guys, I got the screen working. I am blurring this with my hand because it says my full name. I got the screen working. I just had to disconnect and reconnect the Chromebook's battery because the Chromebook has been running this whole time and it didn't update the screen. So now that I have the screen updated, it does show me the display and whatnot. So I'd say this one's a success. I'm completely put it back together and do a gallery, I guess. Are you ready? Because I know I'm excited. Ta-da! It does work. As we can see, it does refresh because my mouser, yes guys, mouser. My cursor, or my mouse, is, it is moving, so that means the screen is refreshing. If I open up a browser and I type something like YouTube, no, it's YouTube. It does load it. This is my school computer. If you do not know where to get started, I would recommend looking at the bottom of your Chromebook or your computer in general, finding the type of computer you have, and then looking up the screen replacement. And I very much recommend this. Don't find the first screen don't click on the first screen you see. Do some research and do a deep dive through different types of screens, because this screen was it was cheap. I found many different other screens that had tools which bumped up their cost a lot. So I know I already have tools, so I just bought the screen itself. But I guess I'll close it off with this. If you enjoyed today's video, I'm glad you enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.